Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add about yourself or add a bio on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next again tap on your profile icon. After that, you can see the option of pencil-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of add about me. Write about yourself. After you are done, you can see the option of tick like icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So this is how you can add about yourself or add a bio on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.